Welcome everybody to Reynaldo Disco. It's so nice for to see you. Everybody coming with the fabulous color and the music and me Reynaldo. It's so nice. Okay. So you like the flashing lights? It's the green, the yellow, the purple, the fabulous. It's the taste of rainbow, honey. And let somebody put a skittle in my camera. It's beautiful. So a little about me. Excuse me. My name is Redondo. I come to America 25 years ago. Legal. Okay, so fuck you. I don't have no green card. I naturalized, baby. I know get a your full stamp. I know get a your EBT, your ABC, your DEF, none of that shit, okay? Everything I do is me. And when I save about my monies, I get a disco, honey. It's amazing. You should come here. $20 per person at the door. Thank you. Okay. Oh, and the drinks are not free. I don't care how cute you are. Nobody drink free. The booze is not free. You don't drink free, okay? Bitch, get over yourself. Also, I know get a section 8, a section 9, section 10, none of that. Everything I pay for me because I'm amazing. I'm fabulous. Renato out bitches. Later. I talk to you tomorrow. Mwah.